Thank you. Here we go. Last one we're going to do here. This one's a little bit easier than the last one, but it's the opposite direction. So if you notice, this one has the y squared term on the left-hand side. So that means that we're going to be facing up or down. But like I said before, that doesn't really matter as long as we can draw that rectangle in there properly. Sorry. All right. So once again, we're going to label out a couple of things. Where is our center here? Center is at 0, 0, because our h and our k are just 0 here. And what is our a going to be? That's right, 8. And the b is 3, which means that the c is equal to 8.5 there. So I'm going to go ahead and make my center right or at the center, at the origin there. Now, a is underneath my y squared term. That means that I'm going to move from the center, I'm going to move up 8. And I'm going to do this by 2's. So we're going to go 2, 4, 6, and 8. 2, 4, 6, and 8 right there. I'm going to go in the x direction. I'm going to go 3. So it's going to be 2, 3 right in the middle. 2, 3 right in the middle there. And we can now make our little box. So here to here. There to there. Make a line connecting. Make another line connecting. Now this is a little bit different from when we did our ellipses because A and B can be bigger or smaller than each other. There is no requirement that A has to be bigger than B. So sometimes you'll get hyperbolas that look like they're off, but they're not. They're actually right, even though the focus might not be on the long axis. It might be on the short axis. For instance, here our foci are going to be up at 8.5, which is going to be, if this is 8 and that's 10, I'd say that's our focus there, and that's our focus there. That's why we're always going to label our points. So when I ask you for, on the test, I'm going to ask you to label these points also. So let's draw some asymptotes here. There's one asymptote. And here's the other asymptote. There's that. Our vertex, our focus, there, and there, right there, and right there. So that is the entire graph of the hyperbola there. And that one took us even less time. It took us about 3.5 minutes for the entire thing. Are there any questions over this particular example?